Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be showing you how to make some snow pea crispy chips, I guess, or snacks. Now this is a very simple, easy recipe. I just thought I may as well video it, show you what I do to make them. So let's get on with it. Nothing much to it. So I've got here, I don't know how many is, a good couple of handfuls of snow peas. That's how they came. So all I've done with those is I've washed them, then patted them thoroughly dry with kitchen paper. As you can see with this one, all the rest of them I've topped and tailed them. So just cut this bit off and this bit off like so. Nothing to it. Now I'm going to throw them in my little bowl there. Whack in about a tablespoon of olive oil. About a tablespoon of Maldon sea salt flakes. A good whack cracked black pepper. And an optional extra I'm throwing in mine is just a couple of shakes of dried chili flakes. Like I say, totally optional. Just get our clean hand in there, mix them around. Alright, here I've just got a wire rack, so it's going to help to dry them out. The air can get in underneath them. Just going to lay them out. Alright, so they're all laid out, ready to go. Now I've just got the oven preheating to about just below that 100 degrees Celsius, so around 80 or 90 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to be putting these in this low temperature for a minimum of about 4 hours. We'll see how we're going then. Now the other thing you want to do for this is just get a wad in foil like so, and in our oven door we're just going to be keeping that ajar a bit, and that piece of tin foil will do that. Yeah, it's important that you allow the door to be open so that moisture can escape out of there to help dry them out. Alrighty, I'll see you in 4 or 5 hours. Alrighty guys, so I've finished off my snow pea chips there in the oven. So like I said, it took about, I had them in the oven as I showed you for about 4 hours or 4.5 hours. They still had a little while longer to go, so what I did is I actually turned the heat down lower to like as low as it could go. It was probably about 50 or 60 degrees Celsius, and then just left it in there for another couple of hours, and then just turned the heat off and still left them there for another hour or so. So the end result is we've actually got these nice little baked crispy chips. And I'm going to taste one. Yummo. Yum, 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 yum. Really, you got the taste of the snow pea there, but it's like a crispy chip, salty, got that hit of chili. Now I'm actually serving it here with some homemade mushroom pate, and I'm going to put a separate video up how to make that, because it's a delicious pate, but I just thought it would go nice with these chips, so I'm just going to get a bit onto my chip here. Yeah, man. The mushroom and the pea combination is just delicious. And, oh man. That's really, really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to those who've subscribed to the channel. You're awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I ask that you hit that subscribe button? If you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.